Hey there! Maintaining your two-wheeler in India is crucial for its longevity and reliability. After all, nobody wants to be stranded on the side of the road with a broken down bike. That's why I'm here to share 10 tips to keep your two-wheeler in top shape. First and foremost, regularly changing the engine oil and cleaning the oil filter is essential to ensure the smooth running of your two-wheeler's engine and protect it from damage. Checking the air pressure in your tires at least once a week is also important. Proper tire pressure ensures better fuel efficiency, stability, and longer tire life. Don't forget to keep the chain lubricated too. Regular lubrication helps reduce friction, noise, and wear and tear, resulting in a longer chain life. It's also essential to keep your two-wheeler clean and dry. Dirt and dust can accumulate in various parts of your vehicle, leading to corrosion and damage. Checking and replacing the spark plugs regularly is another important task. Faulty spark plugs can cause poor fuel efficiency and difficulty starting your two-wheeler. Checking and adjusting the brakes regularly is also a must. Properly functioning brakes ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. Don't forget to check and replace the air filter if necessary too. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency and cause engine damage. Regularly inspecting the battery and keeping it charged is also important. A dead battery can leave you stranded, so it's essential to keep it charged and replace it when necessary. Storing your two-wheeler in a dry and secure place is also a good idea. Exposure to the elements can cause damage and rust, so it's best to store it in a garage or covered area. Last but not the least, getting your two-wheeler serviced regularly by a trusted mechanic is a great way to identify potential issues before they become major problems and keep your two-wheeler in top shape. By following these 10 tips, you can keep your two-wheeler in good shape and enjoy a smooth and safe ride on the roads of India.